Hey guys, it's Grace Apps here. Today you're going to go on a journey with me to find out the easiest way to make squishies, one of which that doesn't require myself to cut sponges. You know, cutting sponges can take a long time and probably 1 hour to shape and 3 hours to trim. So through my half-assed research, I found out that squishies are made out of polyurethane foam, the foam that you are looking at right now. In order to make squishies easily, many YouTubers have tried to use a product named Flex Foam, and it allows them to make squishies without much effort. So they just pour the liquid in the mold and it's done. The problem is that we do not know where to get them in our country. So first of all, we collect relevant information about the product online. There we go. We are going to there. Let's go. Next, drive yourself to the location to pick up the materials. Thank you, bro. Next. Unpackage the box of materials and start taking out the materials. And measure out the amount of each part needed, so it's a 1:2 ratio of part A to part B. And mix for 15 seconds. Don't be like me and mix like there's no tomorrow, because it's actually harder for me to pour it into the mold as it starts to expand. I use clay to make the strawberries decoration. And decorate it with whipped cream and some crystal shiny beads. And this is the final product. I'm super happy and pleased with how it turns out. It's simple, and most importantly, it only takes me a few hours to make, which is super convenient, compared to if you were to do it in a conventional way. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe right below if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.